If you are reading this, then it is your duty now to pass on the message. Soon, a new generation will be born, one who doesn't know of the beginning. Hell, you might be one of them yourself. It all started in the beginning of the second decade. A series of earthquakes shifted the ground, causing mass destructions. And worst of all, one by one, nuclear plants started to explode, releasing nuclear waste into the air and the ground. Within 3 years, almost 75% of the world's population were extinct. And the rest, some of them just wished they could die. I found out that there's still hope for clearing the radiation. Plants, they can absorb highly amount of radiation and transform it into energy. Should you not be able to conduct this experiment yourself, find someone who will, or else may God have mercy on your souls.